Hi, I am in a beautiful area called Alys Island next to Rosemary Beach, or Alys Beach next to Rosemary Beach in the Panhandle, Florida, off the Gulf of Mexico. And I was just thinking, how do you maximize your rental property income this year? Okay, I'm going to talk about the most underutilized thing, in my opinion, the most underutilized tool due to lack of knowledge, due to misunderstanding, due to the complexity of it, due to the depth and the Mariana Trenchness of it. This is the tax strategy. Many investors, I would say a large majority of investors, what I call normal investors, just like me and maybe just like you, the non whales, the normal people that just own a few rental properties or maybe even just one rental property, they don't use tax strategy most likely in a proper way. Most people write off things through their 1040 personal return on the Schedule C. You're very underutilizing the opportunity because the biggest goal of owning a business, which is a rental property, is to maximize tax strategy. And it's just being missed so often. So when you have a properly structured, active business, you have access to the IRS tax code in a full and meaningful way. And so, what you need to do is talk to a tax attorney and get your business set up in an LLC. And then you can start discerning how to utilize the tax strategy. This is the one thing that you can change because most likely you are a W 2 employee and your biggest expense is your income tax. So, what you want to do is remove your biggest expense, or you can't really remove it, but what you want to do is reduce your biggest expense, which is your income tax. People forget that income tax is an expense. It is not just a requirement. There are abilities to adjust that expense, and it's misunderstood, it's underutilized, it's confusing, just like big topics are health and wealth. Those things are confusing. I don't know why, but they are, probably because most people don't get an exposure to them at an early age. But they are tools that can absolutely positively be used and should be used. And so I would highly encourage you to look into tax strategy for your rental property business and consider investing some time. If you do that, that will have a huge return on investment. Okay, that's the number one thing you can do this year, right now, to increase your revenue on your rental property income. Hope this helped. Greetings from Alys Beach. We'll see you later. Bye.